Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand about the lead code problem 2574. It's a two-day contest problem and it is saying that left and right difference we have to find. Okay. Basically, you have given a array, right? And in this array, you need to find at each index of the nums at I, what will be the left sum right array and right sum array, you can say, okay, at each index. And then you need to do the difference, and difference means the absolute difference you will find. So the negative value will not come, right? And that will be your answer. Okay. So let's talk about more in the detail so you can understand clearly, right? So let's move ahead. Let's suppose that you have given an array nums. For example, we have given in the example 1 we have given 10, 4, 8 and 3. Let's talk about the index. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, correct? Now we'll find two things, the left sum array and the right sum array. Let's talk about little detail. So we have the sum, we have to find the sum of element to the left of index I. What index I means we are talking about here. What is the index before this, right? Before this, what is the index before this, right? Nothing, right? So we'll say at I equal to 0, at I equal to 0, we got the sum is 0, okay? And we'll fill this sum as a 0, correct? Then we'll talk about the I equal to 1. When we'll move at I equal to 1 here, right, means we have only one element, that is 10. So we'll say, okay, the previous was 0. Now we'll add 0 plus 10 is 10. And we'll fill this value 10. Similarly, we'll go with I equal to 2 right here. And we'll check these two elements comes 10 plus 4 is 14. And so on. We'll keep checking all those value and we'll fill the left sum array, right? And our left sum array is filled with all the elements, means at each index we will find the left sum, right? Similarly, we'll talk about the right sum. In the right sum, what happens that we want to find the sum at here, right? We want the all these elements to be the sum except this element, right? Current index. So sum of element at the right index when I equal to 0, it means what? We will not count this element, but the rest of the element from here to here we will count, right? So 4, 8 and 3, it will be the sum of 15, right? It becomes 15, right? Similarly, we'll fill this element. Let's move ahead here. So now we'll talk about these two. So 8 plus 3 is 11. When we move at this index, only 3 is left. So we'll say, okay, 3. And when we come to here, there is no more element left. So it becomes 0. Okay. So this way we'll fill the left sum and the right sum. I hope till now you have no doubts. But still if you have doubt, let me know in the comment section and we'll talk about more in the detail. Okay. Let's talk about the absolute difference. What is the absolute difference? We found that you can put this up or down, doesn't matter, right? Because we are going to take the absolute, means no negative. So this is our left sum, right sum, and this is our left sum, right? If you do the difference, right, obviously we'll get this one. 10 minus 0 is 15, 11 minus 10 is 1, and 14 minus 3 is 11, and 22 minus 0 is 22. Means this will be our answer, as you can see, right? The most important thing, how will you implement this? So we know that we need to create two array, this array and this array, right? And once you do the absolute difference, right, means we need another array, that is this. So this will become your naive approach, and obviously the interview will not like it, right? So how will you implement this problem? In very simple term, right? So the code will get optimized, and you also the interviewer also will happy about your approach because you have used the best time complexity and space complexity. Let's talk about in the detail. So what we will do, the idea is we will not going to create those left and right sum array, right? But we will directly find the difference, right? And we'll put on the result array and will return the result, right? We can do the same thing. Okay. So we'll create only one result array, right? You can do the more optimization also, but for now let's suppose we'll create this one array and we'll find the difference and we'll return. But we will not create the left and right sum as a array. What we will do, we'll create a array, right? We'll go with this for loop, right? For loop means what? For what? the nums, this is our nums, and these are the indices. So indices which start from 0, 1, 2, and 3. So like this we will go with 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like this we will go. Okay, and then what we'll do, at each index, right, we will find the left sum. So let's suppose, how we'll find the left sum. So we already knows that this is our nums we have, right? And to find the left sum, for let's suppose our I is at here, so we want to find from here to here the sum, right? So what we will do, 0, 1, 2, and 3 will come till here, right? And we'll find only these three elements, right? So j will start from 0, it will go till the I. Where is the current I, right? Till that we will go and we'll find the left sum. Just we need to do the plus equal to, and correct all the current element from the nums, it will come to here, and we will find the left sum. And this is a variable, so it will keep updating the sum. So you will find the left sum. Similarly, you will find the right sum. In this case, just you need to do what, at the current index you will not find, but from the I plus 1 onwards, you will go till the n. So you will go I plus 1 to n, till that we will go, and we'll find the right sum. Correct? So now you have sorry guys, at each index at each index I, you have the left sum and the right sum. Correct? Because this is operations you will find. Then what you will do, you will just do the left sum and right sum. You use the math dot absolute. So what will happen, it will not give you the negative value, and you will keep updating at each index of result. So result is the same as the array, nums array, and we will, this is the resultant, and this is coming from here. Okay, so we'll keep filling the nums what you call result at I, and will return finally results, right? So this is what we will build this, right? So what will happen for all these indexes that start from I equal to 0 till the n in the nums, right? We will keep calculating at each index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, means at each index we will find the left and the right. Then we'll do the difference and we'll fill the resultant same at the 0, 1, 2, and 3. Similarly, we'll calculate at the 1, again we'll calculate at 2, again we'll calculate, and so on. We'll go with all the nums at I, right? Then we'll find the left and right, and we'll keep doing this thing, and we'll return the result. This is what we have in this video, guys. I'll request you to write the time and space complexity, right? What is the space complexity, what is the time complexity, you write in the comment section, so I'll understand. You will go, you have gone through till here, and you will understand the problem. Also, I will request you, if you have the optimized code, you write the optimized code in the comment box, so other will get benefited. And please share with your friends and family who is preparing this Leetcode journey and DSA preparation. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. And if you are struggling with DSA preparation, you can join our online classes. And that's all I have in this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.